In this video, we will show you how to replace your door lock switch on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Let's start just underneath our inside door handle on the window switch panel. For this, I'm using a plastic trim tool. We'll make our way right along this groove here and gently separate it. Roll that up and out of position. Now along the bottom side here, we can see that we have several electrical connectors. Now we don't necessarily have to disconnect all the wiring harnesses under here. We're only going to disconnect the one for the door lock switch. That's this green electrical connector. Now for this, it has a locking tab along the forward side. Just go ahead and press that in and dislodge it. If you need to, you could use a small pocket screwdriver for prying it. You just want to be extremely careful. Now I'm going to continue on with a small pocket screwdriver. We're going to make our way in between the door lock switch and the panel itself. I'm gently prying. Now we can see it's starting to dislodge here. If you needed to, you could go along the other side, still using your pocket screwdriver to dislodge that as well. And we'll pull this right out of place. There it is, friend. Now that we have the switch out of position, the next thing we need to do is clean and inspect the mounting area of our trim panel. When doing this, I'm using a clean rag. You can use some glass cleaner, but never use any type of detergent that can cause issues with plastic. Now it's time to install our door lock switch. For this, we want to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. Now, if you were looking at the door lock switch itself, you're going to find that one side has a locating tab and one locking tab. On the opposite side, you're going to have two locating tabs and a locking tab. Now, if we were looking at the plastic trim panel, you're going to find that you have this notched area. The notched area is for the side that has the two locating tabs and one locking tab, which would be down along the bottom there. So let's just go ahead and get this lined up and press it in. We'll listen for a click. We have an audible click from both sides. We're giving this a little tug, confirming it's properly secured in place. You don't want this falling off when you go to use the switch. Let's reconnect our electrical connector. Align your locking tab, press it in, listen for a click from that. A light tug confirming it's secured. Now it's time to secure that panel. We're coming in at an angle. Press it up against the door panel and roll it down to the fully locked position. Audible click, double check all the way around. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing we want to do is test the functionality of our door lock switch. Locked, unlocked. Go ahead and test that several times, confirming it functions as it should and in the unlocked position. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.